guys, welcome back to the channel Mom and Family. So in today's video we are gonna talk about how to teach our child to talk. So I will give you 5 tips that you can follow to help your child to talk. So let's get started with the video. In case you haven't subscribed to our channel Mom and Family, then please subscribe to our channel. It's totally free. So before I give you the tips to help your child to talk, let me be very clear. Each child is different and unique, and they all learn at different pace. So don't compare your child with another child and think that that child is speaking so many words and why is my child not doing so. Instead, work on the tips that I'm about to give you and see if your child makes an improvement. And if you really think that there is a speech delay or a problem, then consult your child's doctor or a pediatrician, and only when they tell you that there is a problem, then only believe that there is a problem. So the first tip is that talk to your child. Talk to your child right from the birth. As soon as they are born, start talking to them. Now the question that comes to the mind is that why should I talk to a baby who's not going to talk back to me? The answer is very simple. When you talk to your baby, it helps your baby's language and communication development. Because when you're going to talk to your baby, you're going to use a lot of different words and a lot of different sounds. So your baby is going to understand the language a lot better. So talk to your baby right from the birth. You can talk in any language that you speak at your home, be it English, be it Hindi, or any other language as well. The more you talk to your baby, the more words your baby is going to be exposed to, and he will start understanding those words right from a very young age. Now the next question that comes to parents' mind is, what should I talk about? You can talk about anything that you are doing. Let's say you are working in the kitchen. You can tell your baby, I am opening the fridge, I'm going to take out a water bottle, I'm going to put this water in a cup, I'm going to drink it. Are you thirsty? If you're going outside in a car, you can tell baby that this is a tree, this is a road, this is a car, any different animals that you see around. So the main point is, talk to your baby and talk a lot. Keep talking to your baby during the day as you're doing your household chores or your work, whatever you are doing. So the next tip is to try and make your child talk. Now the way we are going to do this is, let's say if your child is pointing at something, usually kids would point at something and then they expect that we give that to them. So as parents, don't just hand over those things to your child. Instead, take a moment of explaining it to them what it is. Give the time for their brain to process the word. So let's take a simple example. If your child comes in the kitchen and is pointing at water and is telling you, then don't just give water to your child. Explain to your child, like simply saying, do you want water? Do you want water in a cup? Now give a pause. Let your child's brain process and understand that this thing is called water. Then fill a cup of water and give it to your child, and again explain, this is water. Doing this, your child's brain is getting the opportunity to understand that the object that he wanted is called water. So this practice will not just work in one go. Like if you do it one time, don't expect your child to say water the next time he comes in kitchen and wants water. You have to do this constantly, every single day and many times during the day, and eventually you will see that it starts to work and your child will start saying water. The next tip is to listen to your child. The mistake that we as parents do sometimes, that we are in such a hurry that we forget to listen to our child. We should listen to our child, because when we expect our child to speak, speaking is a two-way process. Somebody has to speak and the other person has to listen. So take the time to listen to your child, and I will explain to you how listening to your child helps your child to speak. So let's say, for example, my daughter, she's learning to say ball. So she points at this red ball and says ball, ball, ball. So we as parents listen to her and explain to her, okay, do you want this? This is a red ball. This is called a ball. So listening to the child when they are pointing at certain objects and trying to say it to you, and then explaining to them what that thing is exactly called, and helps them understand the correct word for the object that they want. So in this case, when I do this repeatedly with my daughter, she has eventually started saying ball instead of just pointing at the ball and saying ball, ball. Now she says ball. Now let me give you another example. When my daughter wants her milk, she would come to the kitchen and again tell us ball, ball. So we ask her, do you want your milk in the bottle? And then we give her bottle filled with milk, and she understands that this is called bottle. We have to do this exercise a lot of times with our child. Like every time my daughter comes to the kitchen and tells me she wants ball, I explain to her that what you want is your bottle. You want your milk in the bottle. So her brain is understanding that the object that she wants is called bottle and it's not called ball. So eventually she's gonna learn to speak and say bottle. The next tip to help your child to speak is to play the fill in the blank game. What you need to do for this is you can choose any favorite rhyme of your child. So my daughter loves to watch Five Little Monkeys on TV or on tablet. So what I do with her is I sing it like five little monkeys jumping on the, and then I give a pause and I wait for her to say the word bed, or at least try to say the word bed. But if she does not say it, then I say it bed. So five little monkeys jumping on the bed. So I give a pause every time I sing this rhyme with her. So in the start, you will have to do this a lot with your child, and eventually you will see that your child will start saying bed. You can choose a different rhyme, like a lot of people use row, row, row your boat. So you can sing that as well with your child. So you can sing like row, row, row your, give a pause, and then say boat gently down the stream. So this is another way of teaching your child words and helping them to start talking. Another way to play this fill in the blank game with your child is with a balloon. You can say balloon goes up and give that pause and that opportunity to your child to say the word up. If your child does not say it, then you say it yourself. You say balloon goes up and up. So when you keep doing this with your child over the period of time, you will see that your child will start saying the word up. So every time you would say balloon goes up, and when you give that pause, your child will say the word up. So this is another tip that you can use to teach your child to speak or teach them new words as well. So the last tip to help your child to speak early, and this is the most important one guys, is to read books to your child. So you can start reading books to your child from their birth onwards. Get as many books as you can for your child and keep reading those books to your child. When you read these books to your child, it helps your baby's language and speech development tremendously. Even though the child is not able to speak all those words, they definitely start understanding a lot of words when you read to your child regularly. And read to your child regularly. Try to make it a point to read to your child every single day. There's no perfect time to read books to your child. You can decide which time of the day works best for you and your baby and read books to your child at that time. When you read books to your child, child, don't just stick with what's written in the book. You can even go further and explain as to what is shown in the pictures. If you would like some recommendations as to which books to buy for your 1-year-old baby, then I have done 2 videos on this channel. I would link them in the suggested videos above and you can check them out. With this, we come to the end of the video. So these are the 5 tips that I can think of to help your child to speak. Hopefully these tips help you and your child as well. If you found this video helpful and informative, then please do like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel Mom and Family. So thank you for watching Mom and Family. See you again with a new video. Bye for now.